Yeah, guys, morning. Today, I cook some brown stew, chicken neck, and white rice. So, see my chicken neck clean up already. So, I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut up some season, carrots, Irish, and them things. This season, them just go start cut up some season, guys. So, stay tuned and watch what go on. Yeah, guys, so season up the meat, you know. So, what I'm gonna do, I go light this stove and put on the oil. I go make this soak for 1 2 minutes and then I do what I have to do. So just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen, guys. Yeah, be about this. Yeah, guys, so you see the sugar in the oil are brown. So what I'm gonna do now, I go put in the meat. See the meat here? So brown stew, chicken neck. Yeah, I go eat it with some rice. I go cook some rice too, so you don't know what I go on. So stay tuned and watch what I go on, guys. Yeah, guys, watch your badness. See that? Yeah, food a cook. And see my rice. See my rice, guys. See the rice there. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. This is the finishing look. I'm a brown stew, chicken neck, and rice. Yeah, guys, pot them a cook. You see that? Rice pot over there, so meat pot there, so. And guys, see me have some more season to put in the pot. Yeah. I like a lot of seasoning in my pot. You understand how I did? Believe me. I like a lot of season. Ground season, not bag season. Ground season. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned. See this finishing look. I'm gonna pop this morning. Yeah guys, so I put in the water and I pop now. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make it go and cook. Then we put in my rest of ground season. Yeah, see my rice pot a boil up too. So I'm gonna make the rice go and cook. You don't know anything already. Yeah. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna make it go and cook. And then we put in the rest of season. And you're gonna see the finishing look on my pot. So stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, pot a cook, you see that? Pot a cook guys. Yeah, so the next 3 to 4 minutes, make sure the rest of ground season. And make him go and cook. You don't know about this already, so stay tuned guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in the rest of ground season them now. I'll put in the rest of ground season. Don't know about this stuff. Yeah. So the rest of season. Yeah guys, voilà. So I'm gonna put in some more hard purpose. just put in some more put in a little more chicken season. Yeah. Mm-hmm. The guys don't want to bad. I'm going to tell you. I gotta put a really coffee top salt. And you don't know the bad season them carry salt, so I'm gonna put in a little bit of salt, not too much salt. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make this one cook and you're gonna see the finishing look. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so cook what go on in the pot. See that? Yeah. You know everything go and cook and you're gonna see the finishing look. So just stay tuned guys. Also my rice. Yeah, my rice is steaming, you see it? Oh, the rice has steam out, so guys just stay tuned and watch what go on in the kitchen. Be a badness this morning, me not like it tell you. Don't say things set up already, so watch what go on. You guys want to go down a little more. And my rice cook already, so I just want to make it go on steam out a little more. You guys, so watch what go on in the kitchen. You guys, so I go turn off the rice stove now. Yeah. Look what going on in here, so guys. So what going in there? Yeah guys, so the pot almost done now. But almost finished. Yeah guys, look good too. Now like tell you. I'm gonna make it so hot one in that. Yeah guys, you see the badness? Brown stew chicken neck. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned to the finishing look. The finishing also what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna share out it and make you see what I'm going. So stay tuned. Guys, so this is the finishing look. The brown stew chicken neck and rice. Yeah, brown stew chicken neck and rice. So guys, stay tuned for your next video. I want you to drop a comment and what you think about this food. I'm out.